Good morning, boys and girls. It is Miss Dixon, and we are going to learn about note taking. And the reason that we're learning how to take notes is because, yes, I think your teachers have mentioned it, we are going to be doing state research reports that we are going to be presenting to the whole class. So let's learn how to take notes. Learning how to take notes is a skill that will help you be a successful student. Note taking is an excellent strategy to use when studying for a test, recording information in class, or researching to find out more about a topic. I know personally, I still take notes when I'm reading various things or when I'm on the internet. When we take notes, we only write down the information that we need. We do not write down everything we read or hear. We just record the words, facts, and ideas that are most important. When we research, we need to know our reading purpose. Having a specific research question about our topic can be very helpful. So we have an example here that we're going to share with you. When we research, we need to make sure we only record the information that we need. So I'm going to read about dogs. My research question is, which dog breeds make the best family pets and why? So when I read, I'm going to be looking for which dog breed makes the best family pet and why. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Here we go. Dogs. Dogs are great companions who make wonderful pets. One of the most popular breeds for families is the Golden Retriever. Not only are they intelligent and friendly, but they love children and are very loyal. Poodles are also extremely smart and gentle with young children. Be careful, however, because poodles require a lot of grooming. So my question was, which dog breeds make the best family pets? So it talked about the Golden Retriever, and it also talked about the poodle. So I'm going to write down, or this person actually wrote down, Golden Retriever, and they said intelligent, friendly, loyal, love children, and a family pet. Then the other one they talked about was poodles. They're smart, they're good with children, gentle. Coats need looking after though. Now, as all of you know, Miss Dixon has Bailey, who happens to be a golden doodle, which is half golden retriever and half poodle. Makes a pretty good family pet. As you'll notice, Miss Dixon, when I was taking notes, did not write sentences. I just jotted down some notes to my research question, which was, which dogs breeds make the best family pets? So we're going to practice a little bit. And I just want you to know again, when you're reading, you're recording the key words and phrases, not full sentences. You can use a highlighter, but when you're doing work on the internet, the highlighter might be a little bit more tricky, but if you have a paper copy, highlighters for me works really well. And you're going to read with purpose. Know what you are searching for. So what is your question that you want to know about polar bears? Well, my question was, how do polar bears keep warm in cold temperatures? These are the things that I came up with after I read. But I'm going to read, and you're asking yourself, do you see anything more? Because maybe Miss Dixon left something out. Polar bears are found in countries that surround the Arctic Circle, such as Canada, Russia, and Alaska. They are the largest meat-eating animals that live on land and feed mainly on seals. Polar bears' thick white coat provides warmth and camouflage. Oh, there's one idea. So I wrote that down. The polar bears have thick white coats, provides warmth. Camouflage didn't really answer my driving question about keeping warm. Their layers are their layer of blubber keeps them warm when swimming in icy waters, excuse me. So there is the blubber that keeps them warm. Their thick white coat provides warmth. They are strong swimmers who sometimes have to travel very long distances to find food. Polar bears have small ears to reduce heat loss. Oh. Luckily, polar bears have many ways to keep warm in their icy environment. So, is there anything that I'm missing? I talked about their thick white coat that provides warmth. I also wrote down blubber keeps them warm when swimming in icy waters. Notice I'm just jotting down notes. I'm not writing complete sentences. Small ears to help or to reduce heat loss. So these are ways that Miss Dixon found here to help the bears keep warm. Now, what I'm going to be doing in a few more slides is I'm going to be showing you how to take these notes and put them into a paragraph. I'm going to paraphrase my notes, and I will talk about that in just a moment. But first, what is paraphrasing? Ooh, also, I need to warn you, don't plagiarize, paraphrase. So I want to go over what plagiarism is, because many of you don't know. Plagiarism is when people copy the work of someone else without having their permission. When you're researching, it is really important that you don't copy the exact words of someone else, because this is plagiarizing. And you will not get a good grade if you are copying word for word of somebody's research. The information that you collect when researching should be written in your own words. This is called paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is when you rewrite an idea from a text in your own words and in a way that is meaningful to you. You are putting the author's ideas in your own words using your own writing style. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here were my notes. My notes for my driving question, how do polar bears keep warm in cold temperatures? Their thick white coat provides warmth. Blubber keeps them warm when swimming in icy waters. And their small ears help to reduce heat loss. So then what Miss Dixon did is I took those notes, these 3 notes, and I am paraphrasing. I'm writing a paragraph in complete sentences about my driving question. So I did it this way. I did, as you can see, I have my ordering words, sequencing words. So polar bears are able to live in cold temperatures. First, their thick white coat provides warmth. Next, the thick blubber keeps them warm when swimming in icy waters. Finally, they have very small ears. Oops, I have a typo there that I'll have to fix to reduce heat loss. As you can see, polar bears are able to live in cold temperatures. Now, another thing that you can do when you're paraphrasing to make it a little bit more interesting, you can feel free to change some of the words. So, for example, what would be another word for small? A synonym for small, you could change that to tiny. Or another word for warmth, you could change it to warm. Well, I can't think of another one right now, but maybe find another synonym for warm. But you can change some of the words around if you would like to make it more interesting and make it your own writing when you're putting things into your reports. So let's review note-taking. Record keywords and phrases, use a highlighter, know your purpose or your driving question. Don't just record facts. Know what you need to know. Write down questions if you don't understand. But do not write complete sentences. That's a waste of time, and I feel it's harder to paraphrase. Paraphrasing, remember, you just use your notes. You can use those synonyms like I did earlier to make it more exciting. Maybe even put some figurative language in there. You can make new sentences. I did the first, the next, and the last in my paragraph. And don't forget, what is your purpose for reading and researching? What is that driving question? And also, do not plagiarize. Write your notes in your own words, because if you plagiarize, you could get a big fat 0 on your paper. Your teacher will not accept it most times. So this is exciting, boys and girls. On Friday, we are going to review our note-taking skills. We are going to be picking a state to research. You will each be able to pick a state that you want to research about. Then Miss Dixon's going to introduce the state project to you. It's going to look something like this that's on the computer screen. But you're going to have your state, capital city. You're going to do a learning about the manufacturing, the agriculture, the landforms, different things that you're going to have to research and use your note-taking skills. If you would like with your teacher, right after I stop this video, feel free to do some practice on note-taking and paraphrasing with your teacher. Feel free to do it on your own, though, to see if you truly understand how to take notes, because you're going to be doing a lot of it on Friday. I hope you enjoyed note-taking. You will be doing more of it. Thank you and enjoy your day. Thanks.